Hello again. Now that we learned what Encryptor is and how to install it, we can learn how to connect it in the app. This tutorial will be segmented into two parts: unlocking the Encryptor and registering the Encryptor's public key on the blockchain. Before we start, let's clarify that the Encryptor registration process looks very similar in all apps that support it. For the sake of this tutorial, we will use the E2E staging app. If your Encryptor has not been used for some time, it will lock automatically. You need to unlock the Encryptor with the password used in the setup process. By registering the Encryptor, you will trigger a blockchain transaction and record your Encryptor public key on the blockchain. This action is needed to enable visibility of your public key so your friends can find you and establish a connection. To clarify, the sender needs the receiver's public key to be recorded on the blockchain, while the secret key is calculated based on the private and public keys. This process needs to be done only once. Congratulations, your Encryptor is ready. You have made the first step towards self-custodial encryption of your conversation and data. Check the list of Encryptor-supported apps on wiki.emu3.io.